Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a vacuum pump which is oil free. This one has a gauge also. The gauge is there. This one is only gauge. Now you can see this has a this pump. If you connect it to any tube, the gauge will show you how much is the vacuum, and this can be used as a release also, or the oil, whichever is water vapor or something is coming, it will be trapped in this. This is the working. It will be trapped in this chamber. You can, after some use, you can take out this and take it, this impurity or gases or oil, something which is coming out. This one is a diaphragm for trapping this. Gauge has, this gauge is up to 760 minus of mercury, or of mercury is called. It's a vacuum gauge. This one, and this is a very small and handy pump. This one is a desiccator, which comes to you in 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. This has a silicone gasket which is oil free, and this one is a only partition for keeping it here in the center. This one, this silica gel is optional in this particular bag. As asked for the silica, they have to be energized or activated, or you can say you have to dry them at the say about 90 degree in an oven for about 2 hours or 4 hours or overnight. Then this will be activated. Then you can put it in this chamber as much as you require. Then sample is to be placed here, whatever sample is there. I am just putting this as without opening it as the bottom, and then you can put it in this, and there is this one is a gasket which is generally silicone. Sometimes grease is also utilized to seal this. It has a opening for the stopcock. This is a vacuum desiccator, 300 mm vacuum desiccator. This one is a vacuum desiccator, 300 mm with a stopcock. This stopcock has two-way system. Here you can, it will be having one vacuum path from here, and the second will be, you can stop it. You can see this, there is a hole inside. See, this hole is there. You can close it, or you can make it to the other way, so that directly air can come. Directly air can go here. The vacuum will not be there. So you can release the air inside the gauge, this desiccator, and then first of all we have to check it that this has to be, there are 2 openings. They have to be aligned on this side and on this side, so that the vacuum inside air will be passed to the vacuum pump. So you have to attach it here in this one. You can attach first the rubber tube in this section, and then another rubber tube is attached here. You see this, these are 2 are attached, and then you have to fix it. This is very, and this, press this so that it is tight. Now I switch on the vacuum pump. See this, it is giving a vacuum. This vacuum is created inside. If there is some leakage is there, see this, it is stopped only now. So this vacuum is coming from here. You have to keep it pressed and other thing, so that there is no leakage, and then only this vacuum shows. Now see this, I am just pushing it this way, this and this. Now the vacuum is being created. You can see the vacuum is 100 pounds, 100 mm of mercury and 200 mm mercury. Now you can see it from the, you can see it, see this, almost 200. If you want to stop it, you can just close this. Now it is stopped, and then you can stop this pump. So the vacuum inside will be sealed, but this vacuum gauge shows only vacuum of this section. It is stopped. Only the vacuum inside is not measured here, or if you release it, then only you can see the vacuum is still showing. You can see the vacuum is still coming, and you can see it's very easy to use. If you want to release it, you can release from here, or you can release from this section. You can release the vacuum from here to the pump, or if you want to let the air go inside the chamber, then you have to open it, see that the passage is through, and then only you can release it. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel and like the video. Abron01@gmail.com. Abron Exports, www.abronexports.com is our website. WhatsApp remains 94160200018. Abron Exports, you can subscribe to the channel and see the videos and share the videos. Thank you very much.